Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited to share with you two simple steps for skin tightening and facelifting that you can easily do right at home. I know, we've all seen those fancy creams and treatments that promise the world. But let's be real. Sometimes they don't deliver. So why not try something natural and effective instead? Let's dive right in. First up, we're talking about the magic of facial exercises. Yes, you heard me right. Just like we work out our bodies to tone our muscles, our faces need a little workout too. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Facial exercises? Really? I isn't. But trust me, they can be a game changer. One of my favorite exercises is the cheek lift. It's super easy, and honestly, it makes you feel a little silly, but that's part of the fun, right? All you need to do is smile as wide as you can, then place your fingers on your cheeks, gently lifting them upwards. Hold that position for about 10 seconds while you breathe deeply. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. You'll start to feel that burn. Yes, that's your muscles working. This exercise helps to tone the cheeks, giving you that youthful lift we all crave. Plus, it's a great way to boost your mood. Another fantastic exercise is the jaw release. This one's perfect for anyone who holds tension in their jaw, which, let's face it, is most of us. To do this, simply mimic chewing gum. Open your mouth wide, then close it, as if you're really chewing. Do this for about 30 seconds, and then relax. Not only does this help with toning the jawline, but it can also relieve stress. Who doesn't want that? Now, I know you might be thinking, okay, but what about my skin? I need something for that too. That brings us to our second step, a DIY face mask. And let me tell you, this one is so easy to whip up, you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. For this mask, all you need are two ingredients, honey and lemon. Honey is a natural moisturizer and has incredible antibacterial properties, while lemon is packed with vitamin C, which brightens the skin and helps with tightening. So, here's what you do. Take a tablespoon of honey and mix it with a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Make sure it's fresh, no bottled stuff. Once you've got that all mixed up, apply it to your clean face using your fingertips. Make sure to avoid the eye area because, those delicate little peepers need extra care. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can use this time to relax, maybe put on some soothing music or catch up on your favorite show. After the time's up, rinse it off with warm water and pat your face dry. You'll immediately feel the difference. Your skin will feel firmer, brighter, and oh so soft. So there you have it. Two simple steps to help you achieve that skin tightening and facelifting effect right from the comfort of your home. Remember, consistency is key. Just like with any workout routine, you won't see results overnight, but with a little dedication, you'll be on your way to that glowing, youthful look in no time. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you try them out, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty hacks and tips. We're in this together, and I can't wait to hear about your results. Until next time, take care of yourselves and keep shining.